morning students, I am Safia, your science teacher. Today I am here with a topic, I can say with a video, that is of revision video. So, 6th class students, you are going to have exam third exam. So, you will be having a revision. So, this time we have syllabus a little bit more. 3 lessons you have. That is first, rain, where does it come from? Last video you got this lesson. So, rain, where does it come from? Other lesson is simple electric circuits. Simple electric circuits, and the other one is light, shadows and images. So here what is the syllabus? You can see here lesson rain, where does it come from, then simple electric circuits, and light, shadows and images. So your exam question paper will be from these 3 lessons. So now let us recall, already I have said you the topic, I have already said you the pattern, right? Same pattern, no changes in the pattern at all. Now let us come to this revision. So you go through the definitions, like what is evaporation. Evaporation is a process of conversion of water into water vapor. Condensation, opposite of evaporation. What it will be? The change of water vapor into water is called as condensation. And because of these two, a cycle will be running, that is called as water cycle. And this evaporation condensation, not only evaporation condensation, but it gives out rain also. And when the atmosphere is very cool, the cloud, the heavy droplets of water present in the cloud will change into hailstones, like ice pieces. Those are called as hailstones. So here you can see that water, when it is getting cooled, it is changing into solid form. So that we have learned that water is of 3 forms: solid, liquid and gaseous form. So solid form we can find in the ices, and in nature that is in the form of hailstones. When there is more, the temperature is cool, the water will change into hailstones. Okay, that is ice, solid form. Next is liquid. In nature, all the river bodies, water bodies are present in this form itself. That is in the liquid form, water. And next, third one is vapor. When we are heating the water, water will change into vapor, that is gaseous form. So if you see this, these 3 forms are interchangeable. How I have explained you that on cooling, on heating, what will happen, all that topic you go through properly. And not only that, I said you to practice the diagram of water cycle. I hope everyone have done, so you may get the diagram and as well as go through the explanation. I have explained it in the video itself. And this was about the lesson rain, where does it come from. Go through the lesson keenly and properly, by step, each and every point. If you feel some point is important, take your book and write it down in your book and read that points. And if you get, you may get the same answers, same questions in your question paper. Next, simple electric circuits. Here you have learned what is electricity or what is current. The flow of current in a circuit is called as electricity. So simple electric circuits, how electricity will be passed in the circuits, that is nothing but simple electric circuits. We have learned about parts of a torchlight, cylindrical barrel, reflector, spring, etc. All those you go through it properly. Then we have also learned about conductors and insulators. What are conductors? The objects are the substances which conduct electricity, which allows the electricity to pass through them, are called as conductors. Insulators, the substances which does not allow the flow of electricity through them, are called as insulators. You have gone through examples of conductors and insulators as well. Read it properly and carefully. Then you have learned consequences, if what will happen if connections are wrong or if the bulb is not glowing, etc, etc. Read that kind of questions also properly. Go through that video thoroughly. Then you have learned who have invented the first bulb. Remember that filament of the bulb gives out light. Okay, in the bulb, in electric bulb, a filament. Okay, filament will be giving out the light, and filament is made up of tungsten. First, they have used other substances. Go through the video, you may understand that. Next lesson is light, shadows, and images. In light, shadows, and images, you have learned about three objects. You have classified the objects based on the path of light. If light can pass through the object, it is transparent. Transparent. If light cannot pass through the substance, it is opaque. Based on light, I am saying based on light. And in the same way, other one, light can pass through it, but not completely. Partial light can pass through the substances. Those are called as translucent. This we have learned. So you know that transparent objects will not give the shadow. Opaque objects will form the shadow. Translucent objects will also form the shadow, but the shadow will not be clear as opaque objects. You have learned the importance of light. You can't see any object if the light is absent. You can see the object only because of light, and as well as reflection of light. As light is present, light will be reflecting. As a result of reflection of light only, we are able to see the objects. If there is no reflection of light, you can't see the objects. And what are those objects which will give shadow, which will not give shadow, etc., etc. We have learned what things are required for the formation of shadow. The shadow have shape, the shadow have color, etc., etc. Go through this all properly. And here, I said light is important, so you remember that sources of light are present. What are the natural sources of light? Now here I have sunlight. In the same way, night will be having moonlight. In the same way, what are artificial sources of light? Tube light, electric bulb, LED bulb, candle, and lantern, etc. are the sources of light. Okay, and not only that, you have learned very important topic here, that is light, shadows, and images. That pinhole camera. You have learned about a camera, that is pinhole camera. Important, very important activity. Go through this activity thoroughly. Okay, it is very important. Here, this camera is made on the principle that light travels in a straight line. So light travels in straight line. How you can explain that? For explaining, you have to do this activity. Okay, that is what you have to take two pipes and you have to insert them, then make a hole, etc., etc. Go through this go through this activity properly and thoroughly. So you must read these 3 lessons. This video you will be getting now. You got recently these videos. Maybe you got a little early. Just go through these videos, learn each and everything properly. And I hope everyone is writing the exam. As I said in the last revision video, students, it is must and should that you should write the examination. So for example, if you are unable to write any answer, if you feel it, you don't know the answer, just to try it. You may get some idea, right? So you can just try it. It is not necessary that you have to score good marks. Here we are insisting you to write. It is because to improve your creativity. Okay, students? Write well. All the best for everyone.